Continue from the morning. What I discussed is that why the girl is a relationship with a boy friend, but not for a future. Okay, she don't want to settle with him, right? She's just using them, but like why I say that she's just using him or whatever, wasting her time or just think like that. Okay, you can simply know that girl is loved by everyone, but for men we have to earn the respect, we have to earn the money, right? If a girl is beautiful, which is provided by the nature, there is any any what to say, उसका कोई हाथ नहीं है उसमें, पता है? जैसे कि मेरा हाइट कम है तो उसमें मेरा कोई हाइट क्या कहते हैं, जेनेटिक्स प्रॉब्लम है ना, मतलब जेनेटिक्स ऐसा है, हाइट कम नहीं है, छोटा है, ज़्यादा है, काला है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. सेम लाइक दैट every girl is beautiful. Okay, this is provided by the nature that they are beautiful. Like if you just walk now in any like walking now, you just see the beautiful girls. If she passed, no problem, in front of you will get, right? But in front of men case, men have to earn the respect, men have to earn the money, earn the what to say, wealth, whatever. So we just see the age gap between, just like my age is 20, right? I have zero wealth, zero thing. No, I need more 5 years, 2 years to earn the wealth and property and to be in successful or whatever, to be in a certain position to continue my rest life, right? But if you think my age 20, if I was a girl or I am a girl, there will be a number of boy, means a man or boy or whatever you say, that there will be a number of men who wants to marry me. Okay, if I was a boy, why those like who wants to marry a 20 years old female? The man will be around maybe 5 years elder, like 25, 26, 27 or 24, who are just working in a job or whatever job, have a business, family business, or working in a IT company, whatever. Like she already got a leverage. So what that the Mehndi girl don't want to that Mehndi girl don't want to that okay, that Mehndi girl don't wants that boy with him, right? She's just enjoying her the peak age, just 18, 17, 18 to 25, 26, 27, like before the marriage. After the marriage, she will just settle for a same guy, okay, who has just made a work hard for just to marry, just to whatever, but just to follow the society trends, okay. So you just see that how the woman is there is reacting. So instead of wasting time on the such kind of women, okay, look that Lamborghini, that okay Porsche, okay, I don't understand, okay, that's Porsche, look that BMW, and you know what I'm saying, that yesterday what my friends say, that he's around 25, 26, how he earns more than 70 lakhs, sorry, earns more than 70k per month. He lives in PG, do IT work, but he meet a girl in Haynes. She's around 21 years old, just me 1 year older, or older, like 6-7 months older. If the case, if she was a boy, no problem, right? I mean, she have to do work hard, whatever, to make the status. But within this is 21, right? We don't consider the 21. We just see the age of 18, 17, sorry, 18, 19, 20. There are a number of person, same, whatever you call, the rich guy, poor guy, okay, there are number of well settled guys will get like 24, 25 years, okay. So for that the future tension is over. So she just is enjoying her career, like peak period of her beauty. After the certain age, she will settle to the well earned. It may be true that her current boyfriend may not earning too much. Okay, this is the point I share you. Okay, thank you for watching. I don't know, many people will not watch. Just I am walking from my college and just shooting the video. You see the area. Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Or